It is time for perfect cubes and cube roots. This is video number 54. Once you understand how square roots work, cube roots are not very different. So we have a short video here and we'll do a few examples. Let's get started.
Slide here, I have a couple cubes, and we're given the volume of the cubes. The volume of the first one is 343, and we want to find out what the edges have to be of the cube. The edges are where the sides meet, right here, and where the x's are, like right there. I want to find out how long that is. Well, to find the volume of the cube, you multiply the width times the length times the height. For a cube, they're all the same. So the volume of the cube is given by x cubed, and we want it to equal 343. So we want to know what number times itself 3 times equals 343. Well, that is the job for cube root. So the little 3 here on the radical sign means it's the cube root. So we want the cube root of 343. Okay, so that'll tell us. So on the calculator, if you do this, you'll get x equal to 7. Okay, so what that means is that 7 times 7 times 7 is 343. Okay, we want to find the side of this cube. Sorry, I spaced out there for a minute. The volume is 5,832. So we want to find x such that x cubed is 5,832. So what we have to do is take the cube root of that. It's a big number, but my calculator is going to do it for us. Okay, so let me see what that is. So we have 5,832. I get 18. Very good. So x equals 18. Cube root, very useful key there. Okay. Now, we have to know how to simplify cube roots. We're not going to do as much with cube roots as we did square roots. They actually kind of work in a very similar way. But simplifying them, that's enough. Okay, so first we're going to list the 7 perfect cubes. So the first perfect cube is 1 cubed, which is 1. The next perfect cubed is 2 cubed, which is 8. 3 cubed is 27. 4 cubed is 64. 5 cubed is 125. 6 cubed is 216. And 7 cubed is 343. Of course, they keep going. They get big rather quickly. Okay, so we're going to use these to simplify these cube roots. So cube roots can be broken up like square roots. But instead of looking for the largest perfect square that goes into the number, I'm going to look for the largest one of these perfect cubes. So we take 72 and we see if we can divide it by 8. And the answer is yes. So I can break up the cube root of 72 into the cube root of 8 times the cube root of 9. Okay, so remember we're taking cube roots. This is the one we can do. The cube root of 8 is 2. And we're still stuck with the cube root of 9. There we go. That's simplified. So same idea, but we're working with cubes. So the cube root of 54. 27 goes into 54. So this is the cube root of 27 times the cube root of 2. The cube root of 27 is 3. So it's 3 times the cube root of 2. All right, we're doing good. Cube root of 24, no problem. 8 goes into that. So we can break this up into the cube root of 8 times the cube root of 3. This one is just equal to 2. So it's 2 times the cube root of 3. All right, we got 2 left. 1,000 goes into 4,000. I know that wasn't listed up there, but 10 to the third is 1,000. So we can break this up into the cube root of 1,000 times the cube root of 4. Cube root of 1,000 is 10, and that's times the cube root of 4. Okay, last one. I want to find the cube root of 250. So if I look up here, 8 doesn't go into it, 27 doesn't go into it, 64 doesn't go into it, but 125 goes into it 2 times, so we're in luck. is the cube root of 125 times the cube root of 2. Cube root of 125 is 5. That's times the cube root of 2. Okay, so that's it. Let's go on to the journal assignment. Here we go. So this will be short for you. The following cube has a volume equal to 2,197. So find out how long each side is. Then use the perfect cubes to simplify the following cube roots. Okay, I don't think it'll be a problem for you guys. Good luck.